Have you ever wondered how the Mediterranean diet helps keep your heart happy and your cholesterol levels healthy? Well, you're in the right place to find out. Today, we're going to explore the magic of the Mediterranean diet and see how it can make our cholesterol levels better. Let's get started and learn all about it. Stick around until the end for a helpful recipe. How does the Mediterranean diet affect cholesterol levels? The diet is like a superhero for our hearts because it helps control cholesterol levels. Here's how it works. This diet is full of foods like olive oil, nuts, fruits, and fish. These foods are good fats, not the bad kind, and they help lower the bad cholesterol, which can clog arteries and make the heart sick. Instead of eating a lot of red meat or junk food, which can make cholesterol go up, people eating the Mediterranean way enjoy lots of vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins like chicken or seafood. Also, this diet includes foods high in fiber, like beans and whole grains, which are great for grabbing onto cholesterol in the body and taking it away before it can cause trouble. So, by eating foods from the Mediterranean diet, people can keep their cholesterol at a healthy level, and that means a happier and healthier heart. What is cholesterol? Cholesterol is a waxy substance found in our blood. Think of it like the wax on a candle. But instead of burning, it helps our bodies work properly. Our bodies need some cholesterol to make important things like vitamins, hormones, and substances that help digest food. However, too much cholesterol can be a problem. There are two main types of cholesterol: LDL, which is often called the bad cholesterol, and HDL, known as the good cholesterol. If we have too much LDL, it can stick to the walls of our blood vessels, kind of like how gum sticks to the bottom of a shoe. This can make it hard for blood to flow and lead to heart problems. On the other hand, HDL is like a cleaner that picks up the bad cholesterol and takes it away to be disposed of, which is good for keeping our hearts healthy. So, we want to have lower LDL and higher HDL to stay healthy. Benefits of Mediterranean diet on cholesterol levels. The Mediterranean diet is known for its beneficial effects on cholesterol levels, which is an important factor in maintaining heart health. Here's how it can impact cholesterol. Reduces bad cholesterol, LDL. The Mediterranean diet emphasizes the intake of healthy fats, primarily from olive oil, nuts, and fatty fish, which are rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. These healthy fats help to lower the levels of LDL cholesterol, which is the bad cholesterol that can build up in arteries and lead to heart disease. Increases good cholesterol, HDL. Eating healthy fats, like those found in the Mediterranean diet, can also help increase levels of HDL cholesterol. HDL cholesterol is considered good because it helps remove other forms of cholesterol from your bloodstream. Focus on whole foods. The diet is rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes, all of which contribute to a high intake of fiber. Soluble fiber found in foods like oats, beans, and lentils can help reduce the absorption of cholesterol into your bloodstream. Limits saturated and trans fats. The Mediterranean diet limits the intake of red meat and processed foods, which are common sources of saturated and trans fats. These types of fats can increase total cholesterol and LDL cholesterol levels. Encourages heart-healthy protein sources. The diet promotes protein sources like fish, poultry, beans, and legumes, which are lower in saturated fat compared to red meat and processed meats, thereby supporting healthier cholesterol levels. In summary, the Mediterranean diet can positively affect cholesterol levels by reducing LDL cholesterol, increasing HDL cholesterol, and promoting overall heart health through a balanced intake of nutritious foods. Parts of the Mediterranean diet that help cholesterol levels. The Mediterranean diet helps improve cholesterol levels through various components, each playing a significant role in promoting heart health. Olive oil. The primary fat source in the Mediterranean diet, olive oil, is rich in monounsaturated fats, which can help lower bad LDL cholesterol and increase good HDL cholesterol. Fish and seafood. Regular consumption of fish, especially fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, provides omega-3 fatty acids that are known to improve heart health by reducing triglycerides and lowering blood pressure. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds are high in fiber, healthy fats, and antioxidants, contributing to lower LDL cholesterol levels and improved heart health. Fruits and vegetables. These are staples in the Mediterranean diet and are high in fiber, antioxidants, and other nutrients that help prevent cholesterol buildup and promote overall heart health. Whole grains. Whole grains like whole wheat, oats, barley, and brown rice are rich in soluble fiber, which binds to cholesterol in the digestive system and helps remove it from the body. Legumes. Beans, lentils, and chickpeas are excellent sources of plant-based protein and fiber, aiding in cholesterol reduction and maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. Herbs and spices. Instead of salt, the Mediterranean diet emphasizes the use of herbs and spices for flavor, which can help reduce the intake of sodium, a risk factor for high blood pressure and heart disease. Moderate dairy and red wine consumption. Low-fat dairy products and red wine in moderation can also be part of the Mediterranean diet, potentially offering heart health benefits when consumed in small amounts. By incorporating these elements, the Mediterranean diet can significantly improve cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Mediterranean salmon with vegetables and quinoa recipe. This is a great recipe that you can include in your diet to help your cholesterol levels. 1. 4 salmon fillets, about 6 ounces each. Do. Uncup quinoa. 3. 2 cups water or vegetable broth. 4. 1 zucchini, sliced. 5. 1 red bell pepper, cut into strips. 6. 1 cup cherry tomatoes, halved. 7. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 8. 2 garlic cloves, minced. 9. Juice of 1 lemon. 10. 1 teaspoon dried oregano. 11. Salt and pepper to taste. 12. Fresh parsley for garnish. Instructions. Prepare the quinoa. Rinse the quinoa under cold water. In a pot, combine quinoa with water or vegetable broth and bring to a boil. In a pot, combine quinoa with water or vegetable broth and bring to a boil. Remove from heat and let it sit covered for 5 minutes, then fluff with a fork. Cook the vegetables. In a large pan, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. Add the minced garlic and sauté for about 1 minute. Add the sliced zucchini, red bell pepper, and cherry tomatoes to the pan. Cook, stirring occasionally, until the vegetables are tender but still crisp, about 5-7 minutes. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Prepare the salmon. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees F, 190 degrees. Place the salmon fillets on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Drizzle with the remaining olive oil and lemon juice. Sprinkle with dried oregano, salt, and pepper. Bake in the preheated oven for about 15-20 minutes, or until the salmon is cooked through and flakes easily with a fork. Assemble the dish. Divide the cooked quinoa among plates. Garnish with fresh parsley and serve. Why it's great for cholesterol. This recipe is packed with ingredients known for their cholesterol-lowering benefits. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for reducing levels of bad cholesterol and increasing good cholesterol. Quinoa is a whole grain that helps in managing cholesterol levels due to its high fiber content. Vegetables add antioxidants and fiber, while olive oil provides healthy monounsaturated fats, all of which contribute to a healthier cholesterol profile. In conclusion, the Mediterranean diet is awesome for helping to keep cholesterol levels in check. It uses healthy fats from olive oil and nuts, which can lower bad cholesterol and boost good cholesterol. Plus, it's packed with fruits, veggies, and whole grains that are great for your heart. By eating less red meat and more fish and veggies, you can keep your cholesterol at a healthy level and make your heart happy. So, following the Mediterranean diet can be a tasty and fun way to help your heart stay strong and healthy. If you found this video helpful and like our content, please like and subscribe to support our channel. Thank you.